Design a brand in minutes and start making money. That's right. What's up, divas and divas? It's your girl Nikki, the Deal Finding Diva, and I am back with another video. I'm coming at you with a good money maker today, honey. That's right, we are stepping it up in 2021, and you can make that good money by using a platform called Affio. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. So whether you want to become an influencer, if you want to get into graphic design, or if you just want to have a bomb Instagram, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can go about doing that. And since Affio was nice enough to sponsor this video, I'm not just going to tell you about Affio, but I'm also going to show you how you can create bomb videos and do it within minutes. That's right. And how you can make money doing it. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. You do not want to miss this one. So let me tell you a little something. I don't know if you've noticed, but a lot more people are home lately. And what does that mean? The number one place to go for entertainment is online. And there's a reason why TikTok, Instagram Reels, Stories, all of them are blowing up because people love videos. So if you want to have a scroll stopping video, then Affio is the platform to do that. And using Affio, I'm telling you, your Instagram will be popping. But divas and divos, we got to think on a bigger scale. How can we use this to make money? I'm going to tell you how. So we're going to jump into my computer. I'm going to show you how to use Affio, and I'm going to talk to you about making money on this platform. I have some really, really good ideas, all right? So let's not waste any time. Let's go. Okay, so this is the Affio website. It is Affio.com. And as you can see, look at this cool stuff right here already. Look, we didn't even do anything yet. And once you log in, this is what it looks like. So I like how they have this graphic here so you can see the cool stuff that you can do even before you did anything, right? So I haven't done anything in my account yet. I'm going to go to brand, and this is what I'm talking about. So you can set up your brand. So there is my logo right there. I uploaded that so I can now use that on images that I create. It'll be a click of a button. Okay, so scrolling through here, so I'll use this one. I'll say Caveat Brush is my default font, and that can always be changed. And that's really cool. You can actually upload a font. I like that. So here I can click this to set up my brand, and I have brand colors that I normally use. So I can actually just put in my colors. So I can click this and, you know, use the different colors that they have available here. And that would be that. That's really easy to use. We all know how to do that, right? So my brand colors are really specific. So I'm going to put my colors in there. There you go. There's my blue. And I use a specific yellow as well. I'm thinking about changing them. As you can see, it was really easy for me to set my stuff up. So right here is where you can continue building your brand. So my website is www.dealfindingdiva.com. All right, so let me create some designs. Let's see. So I'm going to throw my favorite colors in here because it doesn't have that. This is me going back and actually building a brand. All right, so I'm going to put these in. So look how cool this is. I can see what my Instagram would look like. If I keep going with these colors, this is what Instagram would look like. And this is a banner. I think that's really cool. So you can see on different platforms what your colors would look like. So you might say, oh, I don't like how this would look on Instagram, and you can go change your colors. Okay, now let's talk about making money and building a brand. Okay, so when it comes down to it, you want your brand to be recognized. And that's why I normally will use the same types of color. The border on my YouTube channel is always this blue. But when it comes down to it, you want your brand to be identified. So when you see that blue border on my YouTube thumbnails, you'll know that it's me. Even without even looking at the stuff inside, you see that blue border. You know that's Deal Finding Diva. You know what I mean? And that's why this is really good. So if you're going to start any kind of business, whether you're going to be a blogger, whether you're going to open up a coffee shop or anything, you want your brand to be recognized. And if you have a website, you want people to know that your website exists. So how do you do that? You go on social media and you push that. And the way that you can get potential customers' attention is when they're scrolling through that timeline and you have a video pop up, please, they are stopping and they are watching. And I'm telling you from experience. So let's do a project while I continue to talk to you guys about this. So when I say think big, I'm talking about also not just building your own brand, but did you know that people pay thousands of dollars to have people do digital marketing for them? So you can use this platform to make yourself some really good money, because companies are hiring people to manage their social media. And if you come in here and start creating some good stuff, then I'm telling you, you're going to get more and more clients because people are going to talk. So let's try this stuff out. Okay, so here you can smart create, and this is an AI generated content. You can have some templates just for your brand. You can have designer templates. So let's go with smart create because I want to be lazy. Okay, and here you can choose. All right, I'm doing Facebook or Instagram, a regular square size, or you could do a vertical. So since I'm coming up on 9K subscribers, I am going to use a photo, and I'm actually going to design my 9K announcement. This is where you can choose to remove the background image, or you can keep the background. So I want to remove the background because it's just my plain old wall. I don't want my plain old wall. That's not scroll stopping content, okay? Ooh, so yes, I just put my photo in there and removed the background, and look at these samples it gave me. And look, there's pages worth, okay? There's at least 6 pages worth of this. Okay, so this is the one that I want. So here I can move myself around. I can change what I want to say. And while I play with this, let me tell you, I really like Affio because it's so affordable, especially compared to other platforms. I've used many other platforms in the past, and this is the most affordable. It's $19 a month, and you have the choice of choosing a lifetime plan for $98. So think about it. For the price of less than paying month to month for a year, you can have a lifetime account with them, and it includes upgrades. So if they do any kind of upgrades, then you will still have access to that. That looks so nice. So all I have to do is I can download it or I can share it, and it's that simple. So say if you don't even want to use your own photo, you can use one of their free stock photos, and they have some really cool stock photos, and they also have copyright free music. You can do everything you need to do within this one platform. And like I said, don't forget, you can make good money doing this stuff. And let me show you real fast how easy it is to use stock images. You can go in here and use any of these, and look at these, like just hovering over them, they are so easy. And these images, these are available for you to use. These are stock images, so you can use this template and use this image if you want. So they have all of this stuff available. You can use various types of music, all that good stuff. You can get that $98 plan, have it for a lifetime, and then charge other people to make their stuff for them. It's genius. All right, divas and divos, did not tell you Affio was no joke. That's right. So I'm linking it down below, and make sure you head over there. Don't waste any time. You have got to see this for yourself. You don't have to worry about copyrights and all that other craziness. I'm telling you, this is such a good idea. And the fact that they have that lifetime plan for $98, like, that's crazy. That's so cheap. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then I suggest you follow me on Instagram, because I'm using Affio myself. Because the features are so good, how can I not use Affio for my own platform? You saw what Affio can do, but I'm ready to peace out on this video. I just ask you, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video, and I will see you all in the next one. All right, guys, bye. I used to treat you right.